Hello everyone and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Okay, so today I am doing a flip through of a journal that I have just completed. I am super excited about this for a number of reasons. The first one, that this is made out of envelopes. I love using envelopes for journals and playing about with them. So when I saw this tutorial, so this is not my idea, I saw the tutorial that was done by Tonya Samuels. I will put her link in the description below. And yeah, she made all of this out of these large envelopes. Now, normally when I think of using envelopes for journals, it tends to be a reasonably soft cover journal. It's not something that's particularly stiff. So when I saw that she had a folio like this, I was intrigued because I thought, well, how is this going to work? Because yeah, you'd have to do some serious reinforcing to make an envelope that stiff. But I have loved doing this. I have obviously made some changes. So while I did watch all of Tonya's tutorial, I did kind of make some tweaks and changes, as we do as creators. We like to kind of see people's ideas and then have our own sort of spin on it. And even as I was creating it, there were lots of things where I was like, I think I could do this bit different, and I think I would change that next time I do that. So I am going to make another one of these because I enjoyed it so much, and I will be recording that one and doing a tutorial step by step so you can see my process of how I'm doing these. Another reason why I am super excited by this is the gorgeous kit that I have used for this. So this is the anniversary kit from Line.Arrow. It is available in the Etsy shop, so I'll put that link below. If you're watching this and it's still May, hurry over because it's at a reduced rate at the moment, because it is their anniversary, 1 year anniversary for Line.Arrow. So yeah, definitely I would recommend this kit. Apart from the fabrics and tea stain papers, everything you see in here is part of the kit. So all of the tags and envelopes and things, it's all from the kit. Right, without further ado, let's have a little look then. So as you can see, there is this gorgeous butterfly frame on the front, and then I've used papers from one of the other pages just to cover the bottom, and then I've added this book plate. Then on the spine I have covered with fabrics, different fabrics, and a bit of lace in the middle. I then have a bit of a dangle coming down the spine. So underneath I've got a piece of fabric which you'll see on the tabs of some of my tags in here, and then I've got a couple of these paper embellishments that are again part of the kit, and then as you can see, one of the beautiful papers on the back just lining the back. Okay, so with the front, this is interactive, so are you ready for the first flip? It goes that way. So this page is blank because this is a pocket. This front section is actually removable. Okay, so you can take this whole panel off, and then it just slides in there. So you could sort of journal on here and then tuck it away as a bit of a secret spot. This side is a pocket, so I've put in one of the envelopes. I haven't glued anything down because I thought, actually, now that that's tea stains on the inside, that's quite a nice journaling spot as well. And then I just folded up a piece of tea stain paper just to pop in there. It is blank, and then that just slots back in that top pocket. Okay, then we close that, and then it flips the other way, and then we have a large pocket here with two of the tags. Absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? Love that. And then on the back they are again tea stained. I am sorry about the light, I am filming slightly later than I usually do, which is why I've got all the shadows. And then on this side we have one of these which kind of tucks in then this journaling card. So again, that's a section from one of the pages, again tea stained on the back, and then this gorgeous pattern underneath. And then that just folds back up and winds back round. Okay, and then that's kind of the front panel to the front cover. It then opens up, and then we've got 3 different sections essentially. So we've got the front section, which we'll go through first, then we have the journal, and then we have the back section. So the front and back section, I have used these bulldog clips just to kind of hold everything in place. So this one, absolutely stunning. I really love this page. I love the butterflies and the flowers and the vivid colours. It's just absolutely stunning. So I have a vellum window here, so you can see as my tag comes out. And again, it's a large tag with a little bit of a fabric ruffle at the top, tea stained back, great for journaling, and then that just slots back in there. Okay, and then that flips over, and I have another pocket here. So again, another piece of one of the pages, which is tea stained on the back for a journaling spot. That then opens up again, and we have another one of these where it kind of flips up and down. I've got that gorgeous paper in the back, and then all I did was just sort of fold over again some tea dyed paper, so there's some journaling space there. And then that just winds around as before. Okay, on this side we also have a winding section, so this little flap pulls out and we have a sweet little journaling tag there. We have a belly band with a card behind, so again for lots and lots of journaling space. This then flips out again, and we've got a nice size pocket for, again, a nice large tag, again with the fabric ruffles at the top. And that just slots back in there. That folds over, wind that bit round, and that goes there. And then this whole section flips over. We have this gorgeous patterned paper on this side, and then this one, I don't know if you can see in this light, but it is shiny. That's because this is a laminated sheet, and I've actually laminated this frame inside. So as I pull out my tag, you can see that this is like a kind of floating frame, and then I've got some of the sort of ledger paper type page in the background, and a nice large journaling tag, and then that just goes back in there like that. Okay, and then as I said, I just had a clip just to hold things in place. Then in the center, I do have a hidden spine, and I have a piece of sari silk that just holds my journal in place. Now I did keep my journal pretty simple because I've got lots of pockets and tucks and things in the folio. Let's just take it out very quickly just so you can see. But the whole back, so that was one of the pages from the kit, and then on the reverse of that I just printed double-sided is this kind of paper here. And then all I did was sew around the edges, and then gathered some tea stain papers as well as some that was coloured. So this is an eco dye, so it's like a grey green. Somewhere in here I've got like a blue, and then at the front I've got a pink, so they go lovely with the kind of colours in this kit. And then I have a die that does these pockets, and then again I've just used lots of the little embellishments that come with the kit and tucked them into these pockets. So I've got some tags and some of the frames. Okay, so I just made a really simple journal, like I said, because I've got lots going on here. I didn't think that this really needed to be over embellished. And I love the fact that obviously once this is finished, I can take this out and then put my next one straight in. So yeah, I really love that. Let's just tie this back in. Okay, so the last section, again, I've just got a clip just to hold everything in place. This one I have a kind of gusseted envelope, so it's nice and deep. I can get lots in there, which I absolutely love. And again, this string just kind of holds it closed for me. This then flips out, and this bit here, again, I've got a vellum pocket, so this bit slides out, and this is just a journaling card, and then that just pops back in there. Now there is a window on each side because this flips down, so again you've got the window, and I've got a pocket here again for some small pieces that are from the kit. Really love these butterfly frames, I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And then on this side, this is just one big flip, and this whole thing is a big pocket for another huge journaling card. So again, a page from the kit, tea stained on the back, and that just slots into that large pocket at the top. Never goes in a smoothie when you're filming, does it? Right, there we go. Okay, and then I have this nice big pocket at the back with, again, another piece for journaling. So this is some of just the ledger paper that's in the kit. Again, just tea dyed, and then that's a nice big chunk of journaling space right there. And then that just slots in there. Okay, and then that just folds back over. This again just pins to hold it all together. And that is the folio / journal. So as you can see, nice and chunky, and I absolutely love it. I really enjoyed making this. I loved working with the kit. As I say, there are some things that I am going to tweak. I am going to be making another one, and this time I will be doing it on camera so you can see step by step what I am doing to build something like this. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed this flip through. As I said, I was really excited by this. I loved using this kit. I love this style of folio / journal, because I just think this is perfect. I can have all of the ephemera and all the bits and pieces that I need for my journaling tucked away in the folio with my journal in the middle. So I really love this idea. And as I said, I will be making another one. It will be on camera so you can see step by step what I'm doing and how I'm putting it together. I will of course put Tonya's video down below so you can kind of see her original ideas and what she did. As I said, hers is different to mine. I did already make some changes. But if you would like to see my step-by-steps, then make sure you are subscribed, and also make sure that you've clicked that bell button so that you are notified of any new videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the flip through as much as I enjoy keep looking at this and playing with this. Yeah, I just hope you have a wonderful crafty day. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye.